Imagine a continent where you could find the world's highest peak, the largest population, and the oldest civilizations. Where do you think that might be? This is Asia, the world's largest continent, rich with diverse cultures, traditions, and landscapes. It's home to Mount Everest, the majestic giant that touches the sky. It cradles China, a nation teeming with more people than any other, and it witnessed the dawn of civilization in Mesopotamia. Yes, it's Asia, a continent that never ceases to amaze. But that's just the beginning. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of Asia. Did you know that Asia is home to both the smallest and the largest countries in the world? Yes, that's right. Maldives, with its shimmering turquoise waters and snow-white beaches, holds the record for being the smallest country in Asia and indeed the world. At the other extreme, we have Russia, a behemoth that spans across 11 time zones, making it the largest country in the world. But that's not all. Asia is a melting pot of cultures and languages, boasting an astonishing count of over 2,300 spoken languages. Imagine the myriad of stories, traditions, and wisdom embedded in each of these tongues. Let's not forget the exotic and unique wildlife that Asia shelters. For instance, the Komodo dragon, a creature as ancient as time itself, roams freely in the wilds of Indonesia, captivating the curiosity of scientists and tourists alike. Shifting gears to the urban jungle, we find Tokyo, home to the world's busiest intersection, a bustling testament to the city's ceaseless energy. Then there's the Dead Sea, a natural wonder where you can float effortlessly due to the high salt concentration. A spa experience like no other. Finally, we must mention the Great Wall of China, a monumental feat of ancient architecture that, according to an urban legend, is visible from space. These are just a few examples of the wonders that Asia holds. Let's explore some more. Scene script. Asia is also a land of peculiarities. Have you ever heard about the rainforests in Indonesia that produce the world's most expensive coffee? Dive into the dense Indonesian rainforests, and you might stumble upon a curious creature, the Asian palm civet. This small mammal plays an integral role in the creation of kopi luwak, the world's priciest coffee. The civets consume ripe coffee cherries, and through their digestive process, the beans are fermented, then excreted. After a thorough cleaning, these beans are roasted to produce a coffee that is delightfully smooth and less acidic. Let's jet off to Japan, where the tradition of crane weddings paints a picture of cultural uniqueness. Cranes are revered in Japanese culture, symbolizing longevity and good fortune. It is believed that folding 1,000 origami cranes will grant a couple a lifetime of prosperity and happiness. Next, we drift to the floating market in Thailand, a vibrant spectacle of boats laden with fresh produce, fragrant flowers, and mouth-watering local cuisine. It's a fascinating glimpse into the traditional Thai way of life. Then, let's take a cinematic journey to India, home to Bollywood, the world's largest film industry, producing over 1,000 films annually. The vibrant song and dance sequences, riveting stories, and colorful costumes are a feast for the senses. Lastly, we land in South Korea, where innovation meets necessity in the form of unique toilets that convert human waste into usable energy. Talk about a green initiative. These curiosities make Asia even more intriguing and a must-visit place for every travel enthusiast. Intrigued by Asia? There's so much more to explore and discover, from the highest peaks to the teeming masses, from the tiniest island nations to the vast Chinese landscape, a continent where thousands of languages echo and unique wildlife thrives, a place where peculiar traditions are cherished and food is an adventure in itself. Each corner of Asia holds a story, a wonder, a curiosity. Next time you think of an adventure, remember Asia, a continent full of wonders, curiosities, and experiences waiting to be explored. Until then, keep your curiosity alive.